Welcome back to the Plays with Cars YouTube channel. I am Dr. Destruction, and I am being assisted today by Professor Pickle. We got ourselves the Grassroots Motorsports New Year's Holiday Gift Exchange box. So, last year we used a Sawzall. This year we're going to use the trusty X-Acto knife razor saw. So, give this a shot here. There seems to be some sort of medical grade tape on this with reinforcements, so we'll try not to cause too much bodily harm. Alright. Oh, this one's been reused too. That's cool. Oh, alright. First layer, we've got us some Husky 3-piece SAE and metric. Ooh, and Torx. That's cool. So those are Torx bits, those funky star-shaped ones. That's really nice. Something useful for the garage. We've got some sort of... Oh, is that an air horn? That's an air horn. Does it work? I don't know how to make it work. By Harbor Freight Tools PVC air horn. Oh man, I don't know how to make this air horn work, but I really want to make it work. Ooh, there's the other piece of the horn.
Why don't
we can have some fun with that
at the end of the video.
At the end of the video, we should find a. What is this? Is that the button? It's the button, I think. Well, so that's something completely. No, that's something completely different. That's just a refrigerator. Ah. Hey, you. It's just a fridge magnet. I am Dr. Destruction. How do we get this? We need to put 12 volts to it and see what happens. Alright, that'll be fun to play with. We'll annoy neighbor Nick. Alright, ooh, that thing's heavy. What is that?
Let's annoy neighbor Nick.
Oh my gosh, it's a fuel injection unit. The funny thing is, I'm pretty sure I mailed this like 3 years ago.
You did?
I think so. I do remember mailing off a 2-barrel TBI that was half taken apart. It might not be mine, but it's the same kind of thing. So that is a throttle body injection unit. A 2-barrel one. I don't know what it's off of. Mine was a GM one, I think. I don't know. I can't even remember, but that's hilarious.
That was 3 years ago, so...
It was 3 years ago. Okay, what do we got in here? This is a momentary push-button switch, so it doesn't stay down. So this would be like a good starter button. We've got some random center caps here. Do we have a full set? 1, 2, 3, 4 random center caps in chrome. Those will be cool. Find some wheels to put those on. We got here... Ooh, a 100 pack of blades. Dude, we needed that. It's like somebody knew we needed that. That's hilarious. Oh, and look! And a new razor knife.
What is this? What's this Stanley one?
If this person's been watching us on YouTube, they know that we use this really old Stanley one that's seen better days, and now we got a new fancy version. These are nice. They've got the kick out here on the bottom. Let's see, I think you got to remove this first. Yeah, and then you can pull out this kick out, and it holds your spare blades inside without having to unbolt it. Mine is old school. You have to undo the screw to get to the spare blade inside. So this is way nicer.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it is. Sweet. And 100 pack of blades.
What's a blade?
Detroit, Michigan sticker in a heart. Some sort of random spacer. Or a gasket or bushing. I don't know. That thing's cool though. I don't know what it is. We'll figure out something to do with it. This is another button? What is this?
Weird wires.
DC 6 to 36 volt, 300 milliamp, 2 meter. I would assume a button of some sort, but it doesn't button. Whoever sent this, you gotta let me know what this contraption is. It's beyond my abilities. A random fitting. This is like a fuel fitting. Probably part of that TBI. Oh, a red line! They sent us a red line! Look at that! It's a custom Mustang. This is an original 1968 red line. Look at that. It's got the tension wire. axles so that the suspension works. See, boing, boing, boing. Oh man, it's got all 4 wheels. Nice top. Hood. Is this... Man, this might be... So the later versions of these Mustangs had this hood closed. I don't know if this open hood scoop is like an original thing or if somebody cut that, but it looks original. That is wild. Oh man, okay. I promise you we will do a proper redline restoration on this. Who sent this? Doesn't say who it's from. That was the old person. Yeah, there's no from. Ah, blast you. Whoever you are.
Look on that.
Well, that's from the old one. Well, I guess, I don't think it came from Eugene, Oregon, though. Well, anyways, whoever sent this, you rock! Yes, red line. Alright, what else do we have? Is that a speedometer cable? That's funny. Speedometer cable. I think I've got one in the garage for my old Javelin still. Hanging up on the wall. Series 1 Jag E-Type. Dome light. Well, that's cool. Never owned an E-Type. Maybe I have to buy an E-Type to go with my light. Ah, some chrome fastener caps for the license plate. Oh man, check out this book. Concept cars from the 1930s to present.
Well, I bet
Ooh, wow.
Wow.
Orgio. Oh hey, it's to Josh on his 21st birthday. Thought you might want some inspiration for your own work. All my love, Kate. Well, Kate, apparently Josh didn't want it anymore, but it's in good hands. We'll total it. Ooh, that's the Chrysler Atlantic. Oldsmobile, the Aero something. I don't know. Silhouette, that's what it was. It had the quad 4 motor in it and set speed records or something like that. Ooh, fun. Oh, that's what became the Ferrari Dino. Ooh. Oh, the Bat cars. Those are BMWs, right? I think it was BMW that did that. Viper, the GTS Coupe. These are awesome. Wow, you see a lot of Lotus Evora in that one. Oh, well, then you need to put the camera on it. Yeah. Cool, huh? I wonder if they have the AMX-3 in here. What was that? Huh. That's the VW, what the heck did they call that thing? The W12 Synchro? The underpinnings of this car actually became the Bugatti Veyron. Fun fact. It was a really cool, like, limo-looking thing. Oh. That, what is that?
A toy?
I have no idea. That thing's crazy.
We should show Dr. Doorknob.
Dr. Doorknob isn't here right now.
I know, he's at school. You could lend him this book.
Fun. And then the last thing is...
I don't know.
Random nut, bolt, and spacer. Cool. Alright, well that was what was in our box. I gotta go put this fuel injection unit outside because it reeks of gas. But that's what we got for the 2019 Grassroots Motorsports Forum New Year's gift exchange box. We mailed ours out yesterday. So somebody should be getting it tomorrow or possibly Friday at the latest, depending on where it was going. But yeah, that's what we got. But definitely the prize in here is this Redline Mustang. This thing is awesome, and we will totally restore this thing.
Who did you send your box to?
I have no idea. I have to go look at the thing. Until next time, that's been Plays with Cars.